I'm going to demonstrate how to mince, dice, and julienne an onion. So the first things you're going to need are a cutting board. You're going to need a wet towel so that the cutting board doesn't move, and you're going to need a chef's knife. So the first thing about an onion is that there's the root and the top, and what we're going to do is cut right down the middle. So that the root is intact for both sides of the onion. Set this aside. All right, we're going to peel off the brown parts of the onion. All right, and then cut off the top right here. All right, so for julienne, what I'm going to do is just slice. Make sure that when you're holding the knife, you have a pinch hold. You can use one index finger or the index and the middle finger. And then for your guiding hand, make sure that the middle finger knuckle is guiding the knife. So I'm going to slice thinly. And then just cut off the root. And here we go, julienne onion. For a diced onion, what you're going to do is slice right before the root. And then what you're going to do is have your hands on top of the onion, and then the knife, I'm going to slice right in the middle. Make sure you do not cut yourself. Make sure your hands are on top of the onion. And then just slice horizontally. And that is how you dice an onion. Now if you want to mince an onion, pretty much you get to the dicing point, and then you just have your guiding hand on top of the knife and the cutting hand on the handle. And what you'll do is just do a rocking motion. And you can chop it as fine as you need. And this is a minced onion.